Hello people, just now I did a video facing away from the light and it was so difficult to record. Now I'm facing the light and suddenly everything is light and bright. See, that is like a metaphor for life. Yeah, I mean, I think when you have God with you, like in terms of when you have that higher power, that light close to you, everything it brightens. Because see, right now there's a lot of election music in the background and I'm scheduled for a eye healing class in the next 10 minutes, and I'm like wondering how I'll do that. But yeah, but I just have to say this. Yeah, see, with regard to eye healing also, it is a journey. People expect everything in life, we expect it as the push of a button, it should come. I mean, really. So that's why I think, be it eye healing or angel healing, everything is a process. So yeah, that's my one big takeaway and one thought for the day for today's 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.